It, uh, Hi, my name is Mohammed, and we are four group member Ikramul Hassan, Umar Farooq Dillo, and Inderjeet Singh. So, our topic is communication audit of Australian agricultural communication. So, I will discuss the overview and the key stakeholders and the purpose. So, I will like to start from the overview. Australian agriculture is the largest integrated cattle and beef producer, meaning it's meaningful the entire supply chain, from breeding livestock to breed processing the beef marketing. So it's a complex business and geographical widespread, and which make effective communication essential. So I would like to talk about the key stakeholders. So there are three stakeholders sorry, four stakeholders. So first one is employees, suppliers, customers, and investors. Employees require clear internal communication for smooth operations. Second one is suppliers. Supplier needs timely updates on demand and logistics. Third one is our customers. Expect transparent marketing and product information. The last but not the least is the investors. Demand consist and reliable financial and sustainable communication. So the next part is the purpose of communication audit. So it conduct the examination of communication tool and the channel, assess how the tool impact efficiency within the organization, engagement, and life stakeholders. So I would like to call the Inderjeet to continue this presentation.
So I present in a research approach like a communication channels and tools, internal communication, emails common for official message, meetings for strategic and operational discussions, internet and dashboard to share update documents and performance data, external communication like website and social media for branding, customer engagement, and investor relations, investor reports and press release for transparency and public communication, informal communication, word of mouth, and networking events, often overlooked but powerful for building trust and spreading culture. Evaluation criteria. To assess the communication methods, three key criteria were used. Effectiveness are the message reaching the right people and having the independent impact. Efficiency. Is the communication timely, clear, and free for unnecessary delays? And third one is engagement. Are stakeholder activity responding for interacting with this message? I refer this presentation to Mutillo.
Yeah, so we are gonna discuss the next part. Here, we're gonna discuss research methods, where surveys and interviews these gather direct feedback from employees and stakeholders about how they perceive and experience communication at ACCO. Content analysis evaluates clarity, tone, consistency, and element of messages with brand goals. Benchmarking compares AACO's practices with other successful agribusinesses to identify gaps and improvements areas. And the next part is key findings, hypothetical examples. The first one is strength. Strong digital presence AACO uses digital tools like dashboards, social media, and online reports effectively. Transparent investors communication, financial and performance updates are accessible and well presented. Weaknesses in inconsistent internal updates. Some teams may not receive timely or uniform information. Limited feedback channels like employees and customers don't always have an easy way to share input or concerns. So the next slides we'll discuss by the Ikramul Hassan. So yeah.
So
So
my
after
conclusion.
the so after the research proposal, there's a next one is recommendation for improvement. How we can improve the changing in the Australian agriculture company. It has a four parts. Like if we talk about the first one, they implement two-way communication platforms in which we can do a two-way communication platform such as employees forms or suggestion boxes. If we talk about the explanation of the benefits, and these tools allow employees to provide a valuable feedback and suggestions, which helps to create an atmosphere and everyone voice is heard. And if we talk about that in a real life example, for example, a companies like Google have internal forms that allows employees to share ideas and feedbacks and innovation of the problem solving. The next one recommendation is enhance stakeholders feedback mechanisms. If we talk about that one, the second recommendation main focus is on improving a stakeholders engagement with customers and investors. And the benefits will be by implementing these regular surveys, Australian agriculture companies can better understand customer and investor satisfaction, which helps to improve and guide for, future decisions. And if we talk about into the real life of example, if we take the real life one, the many businesses like if we talk like Amazon use regular customer survey to assess satisfaction, and these services accordingly result. If we talk about the result in improved customer loyalty, so after that this will be our conclusion. If we talk about the conclusion, there's many of the key points in the conclusion, like importance of the effective communication. The good communication ensures that all the parts of the business can align effectively, which is crucial for smooth operation and growth. And if we find the audit reveals in the agriculture Australian companies is performing well in some areas, especially in external digital communication. And I will talk about the investors as well as the public. And the third one is area needing improvement, in which the internal consistency and the two-way interaction as well and revise the modern tool and communication theories. And the fourth one will be expected that which will be the outcome from the improvements by addressing the agriculture Australian companies improve the organizational efficiency and enhance employee morale, and also increase the stakeholder trust. The main thing is to how to get that trust from the stakeholders. The main focus will be the increase into the stakeholder trust. And the last one is impact on growth and reputation. Finally, the conclusion stresses that the improving communication will ultimately support Australian agriculture companies' growth and reputation. A company with strong communication practices, trends, to have a better internal processes, stronger and external relationship, and more positive public image. Thank you so much.